Gabriel, join a higher club. Oh my.
Good morning, Gabrielle. Oh, I woke up at 9.
Yeah, because I accidentally woke up after.
I mean, it's fine. Okay, guys, you guys want to play, row your boat down. Are you, which color? Black, blue, green? I can't join red. Wait, I'm gonna redo it.
Got a haircut.
Bro, why are you so tall? Gabriel wants to be tall because he's so short.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Let the OP kid build.
And my friend.
Shut up, Gabriel.
Mr. Queen, so fast like you.
Mm. Wait, guys. This is my chair. My chair. Oh, a jet engine. Oh yeah, I have a rocket speed like the ones that go fast.
Yeah? Rocket launcher. Let's go. Whoa.
Why is Andy raging?
Oh, oh, oh. Bro, 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 bro. Huh? Why do we have accept? Come on, let's go.
Wait. Okay, let me do. Oh wait, I have balloons.
I don't have a lot of time, bro. We have to
What
go
does he
eat, man.
mean?
Bro, I'm on my barber shop. I'm at a barber shop, bro, right now.
You're playing at a barbershop? Damn. Oh, we can have a steering wheel.
Looking for my brother to finish building, bro. What do you? The heck, man? Bro, we know that. You don't need to type it in chat, bro.
He's doing a video, you stupid.
Well, not made it. No, I want to. My t-shirt cost 70 Robux. My t-shirt cost 70 Robux. Yeah, I don't know why. Cause I
Sure. Papa, Papa, 514-867-7503 is calling you.
Aló, aló, aló. Yo no sé quién coño es, pero no veo. ¿Qué está diciendo?
hold on.
Yeah. Why? No, no, who started? Bro, you idiot! I don't know. It broke. Why not? And we're dead. Just die already. Oh my gosh. I'm like a low HP. No, no, give up. Die, die. I'm not playing.
Okay, I'm back. Yeah, my bad. It's just because someone called my dad. So I just gave him his phone. Bro, I'm so hungry, man.
Gabriel, let me in red team. Let me in red
Bro.
team. Thank you. Orcalero, Orcala. Yes. Нет. Gonna see you on stage. I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like خربان خبي. Cause we are. Mine.
You're lagging, bro. Hey, bro.
I don't have. Does someone else have? Watch me wet. Now watch me shit it. Now watch me wet. Mm. Add, add some blocks. Add some blocks around so like when something hits, it won't hit our like the inside. No. Take off the engine.
That's
Take off the engine. Andy.
Caller is calling. Papa, unknown. Papa, unknown phone caller is calling.
Bro, it looks like a face. Get off. Bloody shag. Kakishun. Yes, you did start it. Die. Then let's not do without. Let's do it without him. No, we're gonna put these blocks above. Yeah. Not now. Okay, you can put can start putting the blocks above. No, like just put a platform of the wooden planks. Around, yeah, go. Not around, like here, like in the inside. You think I don't know. Gabriel, one of your blocks are placed badly. One of them. Start adding some. Here. Okay. No. What is no, stop. Take these blocks and put them here. No. And well, start placing them in line. Just put these three in the middle. Like yeah, like that. Now we use trying to find a good block. Yeah. Yes. Wait. Bye. What? So I never cared. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Oh, what does it feel like? I can tell you anything. Mm-hmm. Not now. Take it off. Gabriel, I need you for stuff. Your dad broke? Oh wait, I have. Our boat is pretty cool. It like you want. Eight. But I have a lot of blocks. Wait. we can save the build. Wait, I'm gonna save it too. Okay. Yeah, don't save it now, okay? And if you and we can even add blocks like this in front, like blocks in front, so like it will only hit the like pieces. A bit on the sides too, because no. Oh yeah, if you want. Not now. Wait. Look, we have a golden block. We can be free, free. Wow. You can't believe how many chests I have. Wait. Okay, I have 12 plus 11 plus 3 plus 1. That makes like pretty much a lot. No, you want it to be a good build. Oh, there's light switch. Wait. Oh, almost done. Do you want a chair or vote? I don't know. I don't know. Gabriel. Okay, Gabriel, come on. Put your chairs. Put chairs. Come. Put chairs put chairs in front of your cannons. In front of my cannons, I meant. Hello? Bro. Then I'll add some. That's my thing. Okay, I'm done. Same. No, 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 that's my chair. You're taking care of the cannons. 3, 2, 1, go. What's taking you so long? Oh, half of our stuff. It kind of lagged. Look at all of the items. Oh no. Oh. Oh. I can go. Wait. No, no, I'm dying. I'm dying. I died. I died. Die, Gabriel. If you die, we can just reload. Okay. Okay, come on. Go back. But what happened here? Here. Where's even your chair? I don't know. Flags, flags, flags. Flags, 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 flags. Now take my hand. Okay, did you place it? Did you place the chair to like move? You can. Oh, the door is open. Come on. Oh, Gabriel, it's it's pretty concerning, bro. I can't even steer, bro. Yeah, but like it's hard. Wait, that issue. But at least these items will save us. The ones in the back, get out. Yeah. If we stay in this particular area, I feel like it'll be good. Oh, I don't like the clock that much. But at least our boat is not breaking. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Oh hell nah. We're not even halfway through and our things are I thought the fish was gonna crash. We're not even halfway through and things are already breaking. No! Maybe we can still catch up. Killy! No! I'm still not dead. Bro, why did I even do that? It's weird I'm still alive. The rocket ship. Gabriel, why did you jump out? Pretzel world? Hot dog? Cotton candy? Oh, it's a baseball world. There's things that are breaking. There's there's a baseball place. My stuff are there. Oh hell no. I went in the worst spot ever. Oh, my boat is up now. We're almost there. I mean, I'm almost there. We leave the game? Why? A potion world now? But never went this far. I didn't actually.
Okay, guys, I'm back. But I'm back,
What?
but AFK. I just gotta go do something. I'll be back in like 5
I'm
minutes.
so far, right? You're kidding. I have to respawn? I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Bro, this is the worst spot ever to be. Yeah, I'm dying here. You know, people build boats, like actual big ass boats. Bro, was at the last part. I don't see nothing. Yeah, Gabriel, I don't know what you're talking about. Bro, what the flip? Yeah, I see blocks. What the fudge? Bro, these are just blocks in midair. Where there's a whole full platform. Can we start already? I can start moving. There's a door in the back. My chair. Okay. No, but it's crazy. We're gonna fly? Hallelujah. The block. Oh,
Come back,
it's
come
because there's
back.
balloons. Sit behind him.
Really? You want me to try to light whatever it's called? Yeah, wait. Bro, I'm just have to do a captcha.
Okay, let's just go already. This is way easier to control. Bro, is that supposed to happen? If this was an airplane, that would be crazy. Damn. Oh, hell no. They're hitting baseballs at us. I wish so. Is that supposed to happen? I guess not. Before that, I was like at the light spot. I was here, and then suddenly I was just like in the corner, and I was almost there. What is going on? Oh my gosh. But we're okay. And the guy has a dino hat. Follow the trail.
Let's go! Oh my god. Bro, are you serious right now? I still have 3 months left, man. Okay, no, I don't want, I ain't gonna join, I'm not gonna join that. I'm not gonna join your team. Do you make money if you finish it? Like, even with him?
Okay, guys, let's play something else. La la lee, la la la, kakaki,
I said I joined.
kakaki.
Yeah, see, why are we so tall,
I'm gonna
man?
play something else.
Yeah, what are you gonna play?
Like Forsaken or Ink games.
Okay, I'm gonna play with you. Hold on, okay, hold on. Let me let's see if anyone bought my shirt.
You did that shit?
Yeah. Hell nah, bro. No one bought my shirt. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. I hate this game.
You flopped
Okay, no,
miserably.
I flopped miserably.
Yeah.
I hate this thing. Okay, actually, so you want to play for second?
Sure.
I bet. Yo, I can't believe that Build the Plane got popular overnight. Isn't it
Actually, you
crazy?
wanna play a Steal a Brain Rot?
Okay. Hold on, let me see. Let me see if like the dude that's like super rich is online. Like when, like yesterday when I told you about him. Bro, he had a diamond, like I think 4th of July pot hotspot, candy, grapers medusi, so many secrets. Okay, it's not mine. So let's play